Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn the working of a for loop. We have already learned about while and do while loop. So in this video, it is about for loop. Okay. Initially, I will write a program with while loop and then teach you how a for loop works. Okay. Taking the example of a while loop. So first let me write a program using while loop. So I'll say let count is equal to 1 and I'll say while count is less than 5, I'll say console.log count. Okay, and then I'll say count is equal to count plus 1. Alright, so let me run this and I get 1, 2, 3 and 4 as result. Correct? So this is while loop and you know how it works, so I won't explain it again. Now let me try to get the same result using for loop. Okay? First I will write the syntax and then explain it to you how it works. So for loop starts with the word for and then inside bracket there will be 3 expressions. Okay, so expression 1 and expression 2 and then expression 3. So the 3 expressions are separated by colons or semicolons, not colons, semicolons. Alright, and then is the body of the for loop. Okay, body of the for loop. Now let me explain you what these 3 expressions are. Okay, so let me quickly tell you what these are and then I'll show it to you by copying something. Okay, so this is called as initialization expression. Expression 1 is called as initialization expression. Expression 2 is condition expression. Expression 3 is update expression. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, let me copy this of the while loop and paste it here. So this is our initialization expression. Okay, initialization expression. This is condition expression. So the condition is this. Okay, condition is this. All right, condition is this, and this is update expression. So update expression is this. Okay, so update expression is this, and then body is what we want to get as output. So it is this. Okay, it is this. All right, so let me quickly comment this out. Okay, let me quickly comment this out, and now let me run this to get 1, 2, 3 and 4, the same output that I got with the while loop. Okay, now let me explain what these are. The first expression is initialization expression, and this expression is executed only once. Okay, it is executed only once in a for loop, and this is executed before the execution of code block. So before executing this is executed once. Okay, next, second expression. This is condition expression and this is a Boolean expression. So the result of this will be either true or false. Okay, this is checked before iteration of the loop or before iteration of every loop. This defines the condition for executing the code block. Okay, and the third expression is update expression. Now this is executed after the code block has been executed or body has been executed. So after every single time this executes, this body executes, this will be executed. Okay. So first this will run once, next this will run. If it comes true, then this will be executed, and then this will be executed. Okay. And then once again this will be checked. If it comes true, once again this will be executed, and this will be executed. Next, once again it is checked whether count is less than 5. If count is more than 5, this comes out as false, and then the for loop stops. Okay, for loop stops. So this is the syntax of for loop. So first expression is initialization, second is condition, third is the update expression, and all three must be separated by a semicolon. Okay, so this is how a for loop works. Now we can have this outside the for loop too, just like while loop. Okay, so we can have this outside the for loop like this, but then this must be there inside the bracket. So you cannot delete this. Okay, you cannot delete this. So let me delete it and check. I get an error. Okay, I get an error. So let me put it back and check it. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, unlike this, you need to have a colon, sorry, semicolon. Okay, next you can have this, here too, you can have this here too, but then this should remain. All right, so you cannot delete this. So let me run this and you get same result. Okay, so you can have this outside too. Next, you can also have this outside, but then you need to use a break. Okay, you need to use a break keyword. So it is better not to use it outside. Okay, do not worry about that right now. So instead of having this outside, and remembering to have this inside, it is better to write everything inside the brackets itself. Okay, so this is simpler than what I just showed you. Okay, so let me run it to get same result. So this is equal to this. Of course, there is difference, or there are differences between for and while loop. You do not need to know it right now, okay, because it will simply confuse you. So just move ahead through the journey of learning JavaScript. When the time is right, you will understand it. Okay, now there are variations of for loop, for in and for off, which we will learn in the next video. But for this video, as an exercise, I want you to get the multiplication table of any number using for loop. Okay, using for loop, I need you to get the multiplication number. So we have learned how to get the multiplication, no, not number, multiplication table. We have learned how to get multiplication table using while loop, correct? So using for loop too, you can get the same, and I want you to take it as exercise and execute it. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.